everybody, welcome back to an experiment with Benjamin on the Dollar Tree. This is kids science for kids. We got
science for kids.
Science for kids. We got this at the Dollar Tree, and
this is at the Dollar Tree.
And it's called Make Your Own Snow. So Benjamin's gonna open it up. I did take the instructions out because I didn't know what we needed, but show them what's inside. So this is the instructions.
Whoa, it has food.
What color is that?
And red.
Okay, what else is in? And what is that?
A snow.
It's some kind of powder. So what it says is it says to put the powder in a cup first. So we're going to open that up. And then it says add 2 ounces of water. And I tried to figure out what the heck 2 ounces of water is. It's actually 4 tablespoons. So we poured that in a bowl. We're going to pour it in this cup. So let me get this open and we'll show you guys what we're going to do next. Okay, so Benjamin wants to pour it in the cup. So pour it in the cup. Don't make a mess. Good job. Oh, you got a little bit in the corner. There you go. Now, we're going to pour the water inside. No. Pour the water inside the cup. So I'll help you with that. Okay, get your spoon. No, Ben. Leave the cup there. Stop. Leave it cup. Sorry. Okay. He's just excited to make snow. Okay, so we poured the 2 ounces of water in there, and he's going to start stirring it. Start stirring it. Okay, I'm going to have to help him, so give me a second.
Whoa, it's got snakes.
So it instantly turned to this like powder substance, just instantly. I don't know what it feels like, but we're going to pour it into the bowl so Ben can play with it, and we'll see how good it is. This only took like 2 seconds. Okay, Ben, why don't you play with it and tell me what it feels like?
It feels like snow.
You can touch it with your skin. Touch it. You want to touch it?
No.
You know what it feels like? It feels like those jellies that are inside diapers. It basically is like when it gets wet in a diaper. That's basically what this is. This is just guts inside a diaper. So it's not cold. It is kind of a messy product, but I don't know. Did you like making some snow, Benjamin?
Yeah.
It's not as cool as like the Orbeez, but Ben really enjoyed. He likes doing these experiments. But yeah, this is basically what that stuff feels like, is that stuff that's in diapers. So that's kind of cool. This is a cool little project to do with kids. If you guys enjoyed this make your own snow product with the Dollar Tree Science Kit, please give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys all later. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say thank you for watching.
But to make this one.
See you guys later. Bye-bye.